Hello, myself Sunil Kumar Jat from group number 318. My topic is mechanical processes in thermodynamics of mechanical process. It has been shown in the processing chapters of how chemical energy stored in the cell in ATP molecules is transferred to osmotic and electrical work. We shall not turn to micromolecule process in which the chemical energy is converted to the mechanical work. Life is impossible without mechanical motion. The cells and organisms are performing the mechanical work while moving as a whole and setting into the motion and functional parts in the governance field by overcoming the resistance of an air and liquid medium, etc. Mechanical work is done under isothermal and isobaric conditions. It is thereby performed as a exams of chemical rather than thermal energy. The conformational transformation of proteins imply simplified movement of atoms making up macromolecules. If they are moving in the field of external forces, mechanical work is done. It can be done at exams of the free energy liberated in form of the enzymatic reaction. Hence, it may treat the conformational transformation of a protein as a mechanical process. However, as a enzymatic reaction in a solution is concentrated, such as interactions of meaning energy, any chemical reactions involves the motion of atoms, but this is not enough for such reactions to be called mechanical processes. A mechanical processes can be accompanied by the clinically operating machine which reverts to the initial state after the cycle each cycle. Thermodynamics of mechanical processes: the transmission of the working substances chemical potential or another is this simultaneous process of work occurring in a medium that is extended to a machine. The role of such machines can be played by a polymeric polystyrene fiber which length is changed with the pH of this medium. The overall energy change of initial energy is system is delta E बराबर T delta S minus delta W plus sigma mu 1 plus delta mu 2 plus phi, etc. Here dW is work done by the system, d and I is the amount of substance delivered from the reservoir into the system of chemical potential. If psi is electrical work, we shall continuous or rather thermal, mechanical and chemical process obtaining psi. The substance comes to the evolution. We will shall consider homogeneous fiber of the length L. The force is F. We shall. Thank you.